Hi everyone, it's Roy again with another property tip of the day. Now I'm going to be quick, but as you can see, I'm in one of our properties that we're refurbishing. We can either flip this or we can rent it. So good few strategies there. But my tip of the day is this. I'm standing in the bathroom, and as you can see behind me, the lads have been plasterboarding the bathroom, ready to tile and install, obviously, the bathroom. It's very important, really important, that when you are plasterboarding a bathroom, you use moisture resistant plasterboards. Now, they are a lot dearer than standard plasterboards, but they do what they say on the tin. They're moisture resistant, and in a bathroom, there's lots of moisture. So don't cut corners and use normal plasterboards whenever you're plasterboarding a bathroom. Use moisture resistant. It will save you a lot of trouble in the long run, especially if you're renting. So as you can see, they're blue in color, the ones behind me, and for the ladies, you can get them in pink as well. So nothing feminist there, but yeah, if you want pink, you can have pink. If you want blue, you can have blue. So use moisture resistant boards. That's my tip of the day, okay? Whenever you're plasterboarding a bathroom. So until next time, guys, I'll see you soon.